You don't know how to write scripts? Don't know editing? Do not want to give voiceover? After that, you can easily create any content and share it on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media platforms. And this is possible only help of AI. First, I will go to the ChatGPT. Search chat to openai.com. After coming there, I will search. Write a script about friendship with animals for YouTube Shorts. ChatGPT wrote me a script. I didn't like the script. That's why I click on Regenerate Response to generate another script. I choose a script and save it on a WordPad. Script done. Then go pictory.ai. Click first link. Pictory is a complete AI video making site. The best marketing toolkit, what you want. Click on free trial. Write name, email, and password for sign up. I have an account already, so click login. Choose your purpose. Script to video, article to video, edit video using text, visual to video. That's all you can do here. I select script to video. Go to WordPad and select the script. Need some customize. Then proceed. Here many templates, you can choose your purpose. Here the text will highlighted you see, as like show on your video. I choose first one lemon. Then need to select aspect ratio. What do you want to make the video? For Instagram, select 1:1. Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts for select 9:16. If want YouTube videos, select 10:9. I select 9.16, then continue. It's take few minutes for text to video visuals making. It's my scene script. And the reason these words are highlighted is that AI has added visual scenes in my video according to these words. From bottom I can see which visual will added on scene. If click on preview, I can see the visual. Here my visual doesn't match the text, so I'll change it. I'll go visual. Then search. Then select one which similar on my text. Select. Preview. Texture. You can use texture from here on your video. Elements. Here you will find all types of stickers, GIFs, and emojis. Then audio. Here you will find various type of background music for your content. Also can choose specifically by mood, purpose, genre. Then voiceover. Here is many voiceover. If you want male voice, select male. Or want female, then select it. From here you can up and down voice speed. From audio setting, manage background music of your videos. You can also upload your own voice here. Now I choose a voice for my video. Select it, then apply. Then customize voice speed. It's too time for adding voice over on video. Let's check preview. Then text option. From here you can add text on your video. Style. Branding. Then format. If you want a video in many ratio for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, then you can change from here. My video duration is 1 minute 20 sec. But it's need under 1 minute. That's why I have to change its durations. Select scene. Then go scene duration. And change. After complete, go download video. For completing full video takes some time, so be patient. Complete. Download it. Let's open it.
Firstly, animals bring so much happiness into our lives. Whether it's a dog wagging its tail or a cat purring on our lap, the presence of an animal can instantly lift our spirits. They have an innate ability to sense our emotions and provide comfort when we need it most. Secondly, so let's cherish our furry friends and treat them with the love and respect they deserve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Important things. Before upload your video, little trim your video in last few seconds. In Pictory free you can create 3 to 4 videos. You may need to purchase their subscription. And if you want to use it for free, you have to create a new account with another Gmail. Pictory.ai. You can also create content in the same way through this website. And if you want, you can use this website on your smartphone. Just turn on desktop site of the browser.